Good afternoon. You are welcomed by the company Citadel Watch. The Rado Sintra ceramic watch is a true masterpiece with Swiss origin. Exquisite design combined with high-quality materials make them truly unique. The watch case is made of ceramic, which gives it not only an elegant appearance, but also provides durability and lightness. The case size of 34.7 mm makes it ideal for men's wrists, providing comfort and style. The watch crystal is made of high-quality sapphire, which not only gives it durability but also protects it from scratches and external influences. The bracelet is also made of ceramic, which creates a harmonious combination with the case, giving the watch a finished and refined look. The movement of the watch is a self-winding mechanical movement based on ETA 2892. The power reserve is an impressive 36 hours, which guarantees reliable operation of the watch for a long time. The watch is splash-proof, making it ideal for everyday use, ensuring reliability in all conditions. The functionality of the watch includes the display of hours, minutes, seconds, and date. The dial is in perfect condition, which emphasizes the well-maintained nature of the watch. The condition of the watch is rated as good, and it is provided in a complete package, including box, documents, book, card, and purchase receipt. This watch not only tells the time, but is a true work of art and style. Good shopping and have a great day.